Hello everyone. In today's session we have to solve an exponential equation which is square root of x root of 9 minus square root of x root of 6 is equal to square root of x root of 4. Solution for this, let us write the equation as it is. This is the exponential equation. We have to find out value of unknown variable x such that value of x must satisfy given equation. And here, first of all, writing the given equation as it is. This equation we can write in a different form, which is also exponential form. Applying this law of indices, nth root of a is equal to a to the power 1 upon n. Hence, equation becomes 9 to the power 1 over root x minus 6 to the power 1 over root x is equal to 4 to the power 1 over root x. We have to solve this sum step by step. So, step number 1 is divide both sides of above equation by 4 to the power 1 over root x, so that we should get right hand side 1. Hence, first divide left hand side by 4 to the power 1 over root x, and right hand side also divide it by 4 to the power 1 over root x. Here on right hand side 4 to the power 1 over root x gets cancelled with 4 to the power 1 over root x. Hence on right hand side, after simplification, we get 1. On left hand side, divide each term by 4 to the power 1 over root x. Hence, 9 to the power 1 over root x divided by 4 to the power 1 over root x minus 6 to the power 1 over root x divided by 4 to the power 1 over root x is equal to 1. Here step 1 is completed. Now let us start step number 2. In step number 2, we have to replace 9 by 3 square and 4 by 2 square. And second term on left hand side, we have to simplify dividing numerator and denominator by 2. And here we have to apply some laws of indices. One of them is a to the power m divided by b to the power m is equal to a over b to the power m. And second law, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power n to the power m. That is interchange of powers. Applying these laws of indices, left hand side can be written as 9 divided by 4 to the power 1 over root x minus 6 divided by 4 is divided by 2. Hence, it becomes 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x, and right hand side is 1. Keep right hand side as it is. Now 9 is replaced by 3 square and 4 is replaced by 2 square. Hence, first term of left hand side becomes 3 square divided by 2 square to the power 1 over root x minus second term becomes 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x, and right hand side is 1. Now interchange the powers by applying laws of indices, which is given above. Hence, before that, we can write 3 divided by 2 to the power 2 and again its power 1 over root x minus 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x is equal to 1. Now, applying above laws of indices, left hand side first term becomes 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x, its power 2. That is interchange of powers. And second term becomes 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x, means keeping second term on left hand side and keeping right hand side as it is. Now let us assume 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x is equal to new variable y. Then above equation can be written as y square minus y is equal to 1. Now taking 1 on left hand side, equation becomes y square minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. And this is quadratic equation in variable y. Now, method of solving quadratic equation means to get the roots of quadratic equation, we have to use a formula. We are considering a general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x and c is constant term, and its roots or solution of this equation is given by x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now comparing quadratic equation 1 with this general quadratic equation, we can write coefficient of y square, which is 1, hence a is equal to 1. Coefficient of y in equation 1 is minus 1, hence b is equal to minus 1. And constant term in equation 1 is minus 1, hence c is equal to minus 1. Using these values of a, b and c, we can write y is equal to minus of minus 1 plus or minus square root of minus 1 its square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 whole divided by 2 into 1. Hence y is equal to, simplify right hand side, y becomes 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4 whole divided by 2 into 1 is 2, and which is equal to y is equal to 1 plus or minus square root of 5 divided by 2. Means there are two values of y, means y contains two values. One value is y is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2, and second value is y is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2. But this 1 minus square root of 5 divided by 2 is less than 0. Hence, so discard this value. Here we have to accept positive value of y and we have to discard negative value of y. Hence, assuming y is equal to 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. But our assumption is y is equal to 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x, which is equation number 3. Taking natural logarithm, we are considering this as equation number 3. Now we have to take ln, means natural logarithm, on both sides of equation number 3. Then left hand side becomes ln y is equal to ln 3 divided by 2 to the power 1 over root x. Here on right hand side we have to apply property of logarithm. Logarithm of a to the power m is equal to, we can write m into logarithm of a, where power becomes multiplier of logarithm. Hence ln y is equal to 1 divided by square root of x ln 3 over 2. Now taking square root of x on left hand side and ln of y on right hand side, equation becomes square root of x is equal to ln of 3 over 2 divided by ln of y. But from equation 2, value of y is 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. So we can replace here y by 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Hence square root of x is equal to ln of 3 over 2 divided by ln of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Hence square root of x can be written as ln of 3 over 2 divided by ln of 1.618033, which is value of y. That is nothing but value of 1 plus root 5 divided by 2. Hence square root of x is equal to value of ln of 3 upon 2 is 0.405465 divided by ln of 1.618031 is 0.481211. We have to use calculator to calculate this value. Hence square root of x is equal to 0.842592, which is ratio of 0.405465 with 0.481211. This is value of square root of x. Now squaring both sides, value of x is obtained. Square root of x is equal to x, and which is equal to square of 0.842592. Hence x is equal to 0.709961 is answer. That is nothing but roots of given exponential equation, and which is value of x which satisfies given equation. But this answer may be correct or may be wrong. That we have to satisfy, that we have to justify. So let us verify in step number 4. But our exponential equation is given like this: 9 to the power 1 over root x minus 6 to the power 1 over root x is equal to 4 to the power 1 over root x, and we have obtained value of x as an answer, where x is 0.709961. So replacing value of x, we are separately finding value of 9 to the power 1 over root x. and value of 6 to the power 1 over root x and value of 4 to the power 1 over root x. Here 9 to the power 1 over root x is replaced by 0.709961. Then using calculator its value is 13.567767. Similar to this, value of 6 to the power 1 over square root of 0.709961 is equal to 8.385342. And now we have to find out value of right hand side of equation, that is value of 4 to the power 1 over square root of 0.709961. Using calculator, this value is equal to 5.182427, and this is right hand side of given equation. Let us assume left hand side, that is 9 to the power 1 over root x minus 6 to the power 1 over root x. But these two values already we have obtained, so substituting these two values, that is nothing but LHS is equal to 9 to the power 1 over square root of 0.709961 minus 6 to the power 1 over square root of 0.709961, which is equal to 13.567767 minus 8.385342. Calculate this, which is given by 5.182425, and which is approximately equal to 5.182427, which is right hand side which we have obtained. And hence we can say left hand side of given equation is approximately equal to right hand side of given equation if we substitute value of x is equal to 0.709961, and hence this is answer, means x is equal to 0.709961 is answer. Thank you all, thank you for watching this video.